Oh my God, it's just like, it's still blowing my mind. I can't even believe it's actually happening.
Today's probably one of the most gratifying days that Derek and I get to enjoy, because today is the day that our roof for a hero gets her roof. Loretta's a beautiful person, such a positive person.
To be able to give back to somebody like Loretta, who's also given us so much of our freedom, really makes us feel great to be able to do something like this and partner up with Owens Corning and Habitat for Humanity to really give back, because that's what the holiday's all about.
It just feels excellent. I feel just like really grateful and definitely blessed. I know I'm blessed, yep. You know, even me, I'm getting gifted this, but if I can give in any way along the rest of my journey in life, I certainly want to and will.